Okay, please check in your mail IDs. And also check your spam folder, okay? And if also you're not getting I think there are some people who are missing over there. Okay, so just set. See, Hasna, Preeti, Santosh, Malathi, Sarda, Prasanna, Tejaswita, you all are there in the list, so you must have got the mails. And for the others, Santosh, you must have got the mail. See, yes, Prasanna. Okay, Malathi also. So all those who have got the mail, they can start downloading it.
Hi Vidya, I didn't get your email. This is Kusma, I didn't get your email. Sorry, I can't hear you properly. I can't hear you properly.
Let me mute you. Okay. Kusuma, give me your mail ID in the chat box. Kavita, you too. Please give me your mail ID.
For Vidya, for Mac also, it's the same one.
Prasanna? Yes?
Yeah, for the Mac also, the same one to download.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so Kavita, I have got your mail ID. Kusuma. Okay, yours also. Rajesh, give me your mail ID, please. Digin, I would need your ID. Rajesh, your mail ID, please. Okay, I have sent it to you for Rajesh, Digan, Kusuma, and I guess Kavita. Yes. So just check it in your inbox. Rajesh, just one millisecond ago I sent it. Refresh it once. Oh, Prasanna, it's not supporting to Mac. Um, do you have Windows like in any other system? Do you have any other system at home? No. Then again you're also using Mac. Okay, then let me get to the technical team and ask them that what could be done, and they would be available from 1 p.m. EST. So since for today we won't be doing anything onto that, but from tomorrow we would be needing it. So let me contact with them and then I'll get back to you both. Digin and Prasanna, right? See, when you need to check the database, okay, Malati, so then you need to execute the SQL queries. So basically the structured query language, it is used to test the database. Okay, whatever things you are inputting into the database, whatever fields you are entering, so these are getting stored into the database, right? So in what form they are stored, and if we want to retrieve out some of the things, or if we want to change some of the things in the database, so this could be done with the help of a SQL server, or over here we would be using Toad, since it is a freely available thing. Okay, but over there in your like in the companies, mainly they are using SQL Server, which is a licensed one, but we don't have the license one, so we are using the Toad. But it's all the same. Only thing that you need to understand is that how to execute the queries, how to write the queries. Okay, to take out the things from the database, to do the modifications in the database and all. Okay, so for this we would be using this Toad. So it's basically a tool which we are using to interact with the database, or to look into the database. Yes, yes, Malati. Okay, so have you all downloaded it? The people who um, have who have got the mail and you are using Windows. Okay, so let me also open mine. Just a second. This type of sound you must have heard when you open this Toad. Yes, are you all getting this sound when you are opening the Toad? Yes. So, and this is the screen that you all must be getting. Okay. So like apart from Diggan and Prasanna, are you all like, have you all installed it and are you all getting this screen? Everyone? Yeah, Prasanna, I know that you are not getting it. Sarada, did you double click on it and is it getting opened? Did you hear that sound of toad? Okay, Santosh, you are still down installing it. Okay. Rajesh, like I also have the Chrome on my system, but it's working fine. Yes, Norton, like any antivirus, if you have downloaded, then just try to disable it for some time. Okay, and then retry downloading it. Okay, but I don't think the Chrome would be the culprit. Yeah, if you have some antivirus, then you need to disable it first. Okay, Kavita, you too. Prasanna, Toad is a freeware software. No, Kavita, it is not necessary for today's session because for today, we would be just taking it for 5-7 minutes more. I would just let you understand that what it is about so that you can make your hands free onto the tool, and from the next session we can start using it. Okay. But make sure that for tomorrow's session you are having the things ready. Okay. So as you can see over here, there is a link present over here which says the toad sample database. See, I told you that we would be dealing, or we would be looking into the database and would be fetching out the data out from the database so that we can have a look to it, how it is being arranged, Okay, and if you want to do some modifications, then also we can do it. But over here we won't be doing any modifications because we don't want the database to get corrupted or to change. Okay, so I would not allow you, or I would not recommend that you should do the changes, but it's just that you can fetch out the things out from the database. Then for fetching it out, sorry, you need to write down some queries for that. Okay, and there is a special editor in which you need to write down the queries. Now before that, the database that we would be dealing over here would be the sample database, which is already being produced, or which is already over here. That is the total sample database. What you need to do is you go over here, click on that. Okay, now once you have clicked on that, you can see over here that there are many things which are coming. Now what are these things? See, there are some tables which are present in this database. Okay, the names of the table are the address table, the contact table. Okay, the address, contact, customer. Then there are deleted order items, deleted orders, item, order item. So these are the names of the tables. Now under each table, in each table there would be some columns and there would be some data which is present over there, right? So you can see it from here. See, whenever you are going to click on any of the table name, the various columns which are present and the data type of each of the column, it would be coming over here. Okay, so if I will click on the contact one, the name of the columns which are present in the contact table are the contact ID, then is the customer ID, address ID, first name, last name, then the gender, then home phone, business phone, birth date, email address, and many more things. Okay, so these all things are present in the contact table. Then in the customer, what all things you have taken down from the customer. So over here in this customer table, there are two columns. Okay, the first one is the ID, that is the customer ID, and the customer name. Okay, so you can just go on clicking on any of the tables and you can see that what all columns are present in each of the table. Okay, and what is also the data type of each table, that in order ID it should have only integers. Okay, in shipping address also it should have integers, in contact ID integers, in estimated some shipping date would be there. Yes, so it should be some date and time format. Okay, now you can see over here there is a tab present which is named as the editor. Go on to that tab, click over there. Okay, now there is an editor window which is opened. Okay, and for writing down any of the queries you need to use this editor window. Okay, you have to write down the queries in this editor. Okay, the results, when you are going to execute the queries, the results are going to come down over here. Okay, one more thing. See, I told you that if you will click on any of the table name, the columns would be coming over here, right? Along with the data type or the many other things which are present, all the column names will be present. Okay, but if you will double click on any of the if any of the table name, it would be coming over here on the screen. Okay, so you can see it from here also if you're not able to see it from here. Kusuma, for getting into the database, there would be a total sample database present over there, right? See over here on the left hand side. Okay, it's not present. Okay, is it present in this way? Some excess is present. Is there a link or something called as access, navigation manager access? Kusuma, is this present? Access? It shows that to which database you have the access to. Do you have this thing present over there onto the screen on the left hand side? Okay. You just got a page in browser. Which browser? Because I have not opened any of the browser. No, not in Chrome and all. Have you downloaded it? Yes, Kusuma. So see, when you must have downloaded it, okay, let me show you. See, it would be present like this, somewhere on your desktop. Toad data point freeware. Double click on it. So there is a toad present. Okay. So you must have heard the sound of the toad that you heard over here on my system also, right? Okay, now over here in the access, if it is not showing up, click on that plus button. Then toad sample database would be available. Double click on it, you would be able to see all the database, all the tables which are present in the database. Okay. Okay, so yes, so I was telling you that if you are not able to see the things from here, double click on any of the table. It would be, it would show you all the columns. Okay, all the column name, everything over here onto the screen. Now again go back to the editor. So either you can press on the tab which is present or the editor untitled window over here also. Okay, so I'm again back to the editor window. Clear? Now from today we would not from today, from tomorrow we would be taking up this SQL. So make sure that you all have downloaded it, and for Digan and Prasanna I will get back to you after contacting the technical team, okay, and see that what could be done. But if you don't have any option, if it is not supported by Mac, then I guess you people need to arrange for some Windows OS so that you can try it upon. Okay, it would take only 1 or 2 days, so if you are able to arrange any of your friends or spouse laptop or anyone's cousins, anything. Okay, so this is it for today. Make sure that you have downloaded it and you are able to get to the toad sample database, able to get all the tables and everything. Yes. So this is it for today. Okay, Rajesh, you are saying that there is a Mac option in Toad download tab. Guys, see to it, this one, Diggan and Prasanna. Rajesh is giving some important information for you. Okay. Okay, Prasanna, you got that option? Okay. That's good then. Okay, but there is no correct link for it. Okay, then let me check it out once. Okay, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, then this is it for today. We'll meet tomorrow at 10 a.m. EDT. Okay, so we are done for the day. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.